Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the Coupon Camp. We are going into Dollar General to do our deals of the week. We're going to do digital and paper. Today I have a $5 deal and a $9 tissue deal. So let's go ahead and get it done. Okay guys, look what I'm coming to. They got a clearance Easter, 50% off. Oh, is these Easter? Yes. No, that's Mother's Day. So Easter is up here. Oh, look at that. $1. So today is Monday. So that means this should be 70% off on Tuesday. Okay. So you'll see this tomorrow, Tuesday morning. So you should be paying 70 cents or something. Oh, look at that one. 50 cent dolls are so cute. They got sprinkles. Okay. The Dunkaroos. Okay. Wow. All the Easter baskets you want. All of these are 50 cents. Shreds. Easter stickers. Anything Easter. Painting balls. Baskets. Okay. 50 cents off. Okay, still Easter. Okay, what's this? This is more Easter. Okay, delis. And I couldn't find no paint. Let's see what's over here. Okay. Hi, how are you? Okay. Oh, that's cute. Okay, 3. Okay, Easter candy, 25% off. So, they got Reese's. So that means it should get up to 50% tomorrow. If so. Starters in there. Okay. 85% off. Oh, okay. Look at that little cute furry hat. Let's see how much 85% off is. Okay, so 75 cents for the hat, and it was $5. So that's a great deal. Oh, that's 75 cents. Those are nice. Look at that. So tomorrow these should be up to 90%. Okay, more Easter stuff. $1. So these are 50 cents. Let me scan them. Guys, those plates are not on sale. Let me put this hat back down. Clearance for that. Okay, the first deal we're gonna do is the cotton nail deal. We're gonna grab three cotton nails at $5. 2 and 3. Okay. Scan that. It gave you $1 coupon right there, making this $4. Here it is. We're gonna do that deal. We're gonna use $2 coupons with it. So this is 5, 10, 15. I have 1 digital, 2 paper, $3 off already, then 3 off 15. So $9 for 3 packs of tissue. Cheap. I'm gonna grab one of these for $3. Let's see what they rank up at. Okay, hold on. There you go. Took 50 cents off. We're also gonna grab this. So my first deal is the $9 tissue. We're gonna use the 3 off of 15. This deal also goes great on the 5 off of 25 deals right here. Second deal is the $5 deal. This is gonna do the Scott at $3, 50 cents off. We're gonna do 1 Arm & Hammer right here. Take $1 off. Make that $2. Okay, here it is. Got you that $1 coupon off. Oh, look at that! I got 2. That means I can do this deal twice. Okay, for the $5 deal, we got this. We got this. Let's go get one more item. Okay, we're gonna grab a big $1 right here. $1. 3 minus $2 leave you at 1. Let's look at this. Okay, there you go. $2 off right there. $1 off. So let's look at our $5 deal. Okay. So here's our $5 deal. We're gonna do an Arm & Hammer at $2, Scott tissue at $2.50, and a Bic at $1. Come up to $5.50. Great deal right here, guys. Didn't go over, went over by 50 cents. If you want to go over and say you did, but I'm going to do both of these deals. Both of these deals are great for the 5 off 25s also. If you use these deals, you will get a good lower out of pocket. Remember, when you do this one, you have to add that, cover that 3, but the $3 coupon should cover that 3. You're going to pull something in for $3. That's all you're going to do. But of course, you know I will do a deal and release that one on Thursday for you guys. Okay, guys, so I want to show you some deals that's been around for a minute that you still can do. A $2 crest is still here. If you have those coupons, you got a 3 off of 2, a 5 off of 3, and a 6 off 4. You can still do these deals right here. Let's scan so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, you see that? $2. The $6 and $3. So if I buy 2 of these, I'm gonna pay $1 for 2. You're okay. $1 for 2, or 50 cents each. If you have that 3 off of 2 coupon right here, okay. Now if you do the 6 off of 4, that's $8. You're gonna pay $2 for 4 things of toothpaste. That is still a great deal to add on to your 5 off of 25, guys, right here. Add that on. I'm not gonna do it today, but it's a great deal to add on. Okay, the mouthwash. This one right here, I just scanned it. It's another one that you can do. Let me see. You do not have to do the toothpaste if you don't want to. This is the one for $3. The $3 one show up, and the $6 one. $3 one, you're gonna buy 2 $3 toothpaste mouthwashes. You're gonna pay $2 for it. $3 for 2. If you use the 6, say 3, 6, 9, 12. You're gonna end up paying out of the pocket for it. But it's still a good deal. You're gonna pay $6 for 4 of those. Add it on to your 5 off 25 deal. That's all. You don't have to spend outrageous on this. You also can do the toothpastes. Okay, I just did a toothbrush. That one at $5. I was find one for 2, but look, they still attach. So it's not just the toothpaste. That's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. All of them attach. Okay, you don't have to do just the toothpaste. So try all of those deals. Okay. Now this store still has some 10% off and 25% off. See, right here, still got it. They still got it here, still got it there. Still here, whatever that was. They just wait until it go all out. Right here. This is probably my favorite Dollar General right here, because they always have clearances, always. Fruit teas, we got a deal. Remember, we got coupons off on fruit teas. All of these we got coupons off on. Here, that's a good deal. $2.75 whole blends. If you want to, I would try the one at Walgreens. Go look at my Walgreens video. That's a great deal. Okay, let's check out and see how we did. Okay, guys, so here is our first deal from Dollar General, $5. This was the Arm & Hammer. That was 3, take away $1. This was 2. The Scott tissue, this little small tiny 6-pack of tissue, was $3, take away 50 cents. So this was $2.50. And the Bic Deuce was $3, take away $1, take away $2, and this was $1. So there it is, $5.50 on the head, guys. That's a good $5 deal right there. So let's do our next deal, which this is the one I really love, guys. And here is my favorite. 1, 2, 3 tissues for $5. We use $1 digital and then 2 paper coupons. They came in this week's inserts. inserts. We followed the deal that was about $15 worth of Cottonelle, Scott, or Kleenex, and take or Sherman. Take off $3 automatically. Then we took off another dollar each for the two papers and then one digital. They gave us $6 in savings. Here it is right here. Let's look at our receipt. 6 in savings and paying $9 out of pocket, which that is what we want to do. Even at Walgreens, we still did not get our $5 tissue that low. We got it to $3.25 and $3.75. So this is a good deal. Yes, this is an excellent deal to add into the 5 off of 25 deal on Saturday. So I'll be adding that into one of the scenarios so you guys can do that if you want to. Thanks, guys. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share this channel. Bye.